Did I miss the bus on the DJI drone train? Miss the bus train? Doesn't even make any sense. I love taking pictures of stuff. I guess you could call me a photographer. I feel like it's kind of pretentious on my end to call me a photographer. I'm just a guy with a camera that likes taking pictures of stuff. But I guess you could say, yeah, I'm a photographer. I take pictures of stuff. I've sold some of the stuff that I've taken pictures of, so that's cool, I guess. But the next step would seem logically to be get into drone photography. Now, obviously, we know that DJI is like the name in drone photography. They're like the NVIDIA of drones. Have most of the market share, kind of too big to fail, all this stuff like that. But it seems like DJI is having a rough go of it in America for the reasons that it looks like the Department of Justice has classified DJI drones as military weapons from China. I don't know. And then it seems like they're not even able to fulfill their obligations to people that have like protection or, insurance for their, like, say I fuck a propeller blade up on one of the drones and I got to go send it off to China, whatever, get it fixed, and they try to bring it back to me, ship it back to me. Sometimes it may not even make it back to me, which is crazy. So then you're just kind of ass out. And I think DJI said they're going to honor the last of them, but they're not going to renew any of the protection systems. With that said, I really want to get into DJI. I really want to get into drone photography. I would love it. Absolutely. But if it's going to be such a hassle getting DJI here in the States, is there an alternative brand? Are there any other brands that are even on the same? There's an owl. Holy shit. Oh, cool. Owl just swoop. I don't know. Took something out of that tree. Probably a squirrel. That's unfortunate. Anyway. Are there any other brands that are even in that same category? Does America have any, drone equipment that is on the same level? Same ease of use, stuff like. I'm already in the DJI ecosystem with some of my stuff, so I'd like to stay in there. And I've flown their drones, I've seen the pictures of their drones, and it's just something I really want. But if it's a hassle, what can I do? So I'm just kind of at like a crossroad here, trying to figure out what I can do, if anything. You think I should go ahead and get one and just go with it how it comes? Should I just hold off? What do you think the state of drones, specifically from DJI, is going to be in America in the future? Am I overreacting? I'm looking for insight and what you think I should do, because I'd really like to get into it, but it seems too iffy at this point. So yeah, any insight to that would be great. I appreciate it. Thank you so much.